Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our new channel in which I will share you some tips and tricks, like you can say that short tricks. But basically I will aware you about all the things which are important in the UPSC, mainly in the exam. And also after few days I will start a series in which I will tell about the lecturate or the topics which we have to speak 3 minutes after qualifying our ND exam. Uh, there are not I do not say that I will be follow a regular sequence. Like someday, if I feel that I have to share some things for written for those who are preparing for written exam, and also the second thing, and if I think that there are some things which I have necessary, like some relationship or the some topics which are regularly came in lecturate part, then definitely I will share my experience or my or the things which we I have to share with you.